Oh my goodness. They cooking lobster. We cooking lobster. That's okay.
I wanted the one.
In there, I put it already in the plastic here.
In the fridge?
No, here. Not in the fridge.
Why did you close this?
Siopaw.
What is it?
Maybe this enough? Boiling properly? I think it's already cooked, huh? And then siopaw. Just make it a little bit softer. That's okay.
Yeah, I will just do the buns from the burger. Oh, we need to make the burger.
Where's the burger? You put it already there. You bring it already. Why? Where you cook?
Faisal, where do we have to cook it here? Faisal, where's the burger?